Hey guys, Tariq here. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to update all of your Adobe applications at once within Creative Cloud, so you can access all of the latest features and tools. I first start by opening up Creative Cloud by clicking this icon in the taskbar. Next, click on Update Available on any of the applications and it will take you to the New Updates page. Now proceed with clicking Update All in the top right corner. This will open a pop-up with some options. I'll keep mine set to always keep the apps up to date, to import any previous settings and preferences, and to remove the old versions as well. And to get the process started, just click Continue once you've selected your preferences. Once the loading is complete, you'll want to restart your computer to solidify the changes. If you found this information valuable, please make sure to like the video for the YouTube algorithm for others to find this video as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss videos just like this one that I'll be posting in the future. Thanks for watching, guys.